Good day, viewers. Get ready to explore the intersection of technology and agriculture as we uncover the exciting agri-tech solutions for growing diverse food crops on smart tech. Look closer and you'll see the magic. 3 belts feed the bulb. A roller presses it into the soil at the exact depth, all in fractions of a second, precisely without error. Every machine movement is calculated like dance choreography. You can't imagine how fast raspberries can be harvested. The full row Oscar by Jagoda pulls bushes into rows of gentle shakers, shakes off the berries onto a conveyor, and sorts them into a bin. This machine can cover up to 1.5 acres per hour without damaging bushes or losing yield. Need fast corn processing? Just toss in the cobs and watch as the massive thresher devours, grinds, and neatly sorts everything on its own. The key is to feed the cobs on time. The machine will handle the rest. At IFAPA in Seville, they unveiled something that could revolutionize the citrus industry: mechanical harvesting on super-intensive plantations. The machine hugs the hedgerow, shakes the trees, and gently collects the fruit. No hands needed, just tech that knows the difference between an orange and a leaf. ELHOV Twin isn't just a rake, it's a smart assistant in the field. The front system gathers forage into perfect windrows, lets it dry properly, then syncs with any rear baler. More feed for the animals, fewer laps around the field for you. With high maneuverability and fine-tuning, Damcon multi-track gantry tractors provide delicate plant care while minimizing damage and increasing productivity. The design allows you to work in areas with row spacing from 28 to 59 inches, making them ideal for tilling strawberries, blueberries, deciduous and coniferous trees. The Certa 40 from DeWolf is a highly efficient 4-row potato harvester capable of forming 35.4-inch wide ridges immediately in the field. The machine first prepares the peeled tubers before distributing them to the stackers, which precisely form the rows. The unique design ensures optimal placement and minimal crop damage in the process. The DeWolf carrot harvester together with a John Deere tractor provide the perfect duo for precise and efficient harvesting. The flexible digging system gently digs up the carrots to minimize damage to the root crops, after which they're transferred to the auger conveyor. Special cleaning rollers remove dirt and stones, and the carrots are then carefully loaded into the hopper or onto the trailer. A semi-automatic machine with 6 planting rows simultaneously sets seedlings in 2 lines across 3 beds, all in one pass. Planting depth is adjusted on the fly, trays don't jam, and a 2-operator system achieves up to 4,000 plants per hour. The HSMOB, paired with the Menzie muck, works in the forest like a precision surgeon with a chainsaw. The heavy-duty Seppi mulcher cuts trees and shrubs right at the root, shredding them into chips in seconds. Thanks to its hydraulic drive and excavator-compatible setup, the unit performs confidently in hard-to-reach areas, leaving the terrain perfectly cleared. Kubota on drainage duty is like a surgeon in the soil. It moves slowly, steadily, and with no wasted motion. Its powerful blade precisely opens the ground, carving clean drainage channels, crucial for laying foundations or prepping fields for planting. The Kawasaki glides like it's on rails, straight through wide rows, trimming tops to the millimeter. All the trimmings go neatly to the rear hopper while the operator handles it solo. Its speed, precision, and clean finish make it indispensable in vegetable fields. Imagine a monster in the field. The Nexat Widespan Trägerfahrzeug. This powerful machine, with a working width of up to 120 feet, transforms the concept of farming. Its versatile platform makes it easy to change work modules for different tasks, from seeding to harvesting. Its 1,500 horsepower engine and speeds of up to 6 miles per hour make it indispensable on large plots. Imagine how quickly and efficiently it gets the job done, saving you time and resources. Just look at the Kioritz, a cool machine on wheels that makes spraying in the vineyards a real pleasure. This cool and stylish driver-operated machine maneuvers between the rows of grapes like a superhero among agricultural machinery, ensuring an even and efficient coverage. With its quiet, powerful engine and precise spraying system, every bush gets its fair share of care. The AFH5 from Argyle's is a real boon for fruit and vegetable picking. See how easily and gracefully this machine handles watermelons in the video. It seems as if the watermelons jumped into the container by themselves. The AFH5 works with such precision and efficiency that your fruits stay intact and fresh. Forget about hard physical labor and long hours in the field. This machine does all the work for you. Evrard is once again defining the future of agricultural technology with Meteor R Active, a trailed sprayer that combines innovation and functionality. With its advanced design and compact frame, the sprayer promises high efficiency and ease of operation. With Delta Force booms up to 118 feet or Palmier aluminum booms up to 148 feet, the technique provides a wide range of applications. Integration with auto-terrain and active slant systems ensures precise terrain following, while a unique load transfer system optimizes performance even in the most challenging conditions. With the new PPI continuous circulation system and the smart 7-inch command box display for control, the Meteor R Active sets new standards in spraying. How often have you thought about every head of your cabbage being lifted off the ground with artificial precision and care? Meet Commander 1, the cabbage harvester that turns every day into a marvel of technology. Can a machine deliver a perfect root cut without harming your cabbage? Commander 1 proves it can. And where would you rather send your harvest? For long-term storage or directly to market? Either way, a combine harvester will not only free you from your worries, it will also open up new opportunities for your business. Now, while many can only dream of having automatic doors in their home, Run Chicken Eternal makes those chicken and rooster dreams a reality. Forget the manual labor of closing the coop in the evening and imagine your feathered friends coming home under the protection of reliable solar-powered automation. Predator-proof and made of aluminum, the door will keep your flock safe and give you peace of mind. What's more, it's environmentally friendly and promises to last up to 5 years, even if the weather tries to test it. The Pyrus 2 harvester digs like a sniper. One row, no misses. It's seriously powerful. The share lifts the tubers, a vibrating grate removes the soil, and clean potatoes are gently placed on the surface. This method is ideal for early harvest. Minimal damage, maximum quality. The enclosed cab of the Fiat Agri throws straw chips into the field, blanketing the soil in a layer of golden softness. A distributor with an adjustable auger evenly spreads the material, creating bedding or moisture-retaining cover. Multiple machines work in sync, each with a large bunker and pneumatic feed system. The heavy-duty Power 48 professional olive-picking comb with a 480W brushless motor makes the job easier and more profitable while preserving the tree, its fruit, and branches. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's suitable for all varieties of olives. The productive technique allows you to harvest up to 8 times faster than manually. Its ergonomic design provides exceptional comfort and ease of use, particularly thanks to models with 2 supports, a fixed length of 7.5 feet and a telescopic height from 7.2 to 9.8 feet. In terms of power, multiple batteries are available. Power Pack M and L for up to a day of autonomy, as well as a 12-volt converter. The 2023 New Holland CR11 has deservedly won a gold medal at the 2023 Agritechna as the largest and most productive combine in the world. It's powered by a 16-liter engine with 750 horsepower. Engineers installed large rotors, new cleaning and separation systems, and expanded the sieve mill with 2 larger and 2 smaller sieves. A new crop residue spreading system helps ensure a more efficient wheat harvesting process. In addition to its technical excellence, the CR11 has a modern design and a comfortable operator's cabin. Even in the event of a blockage, the combine can clean itself. The Zern 160 is a modern selection harvester for clean and unmixed grain harvesting. The Zern 160 has been developed from scratch. The modern machine concept meets the highest requirements. The threshing unit, cleaning system, and engine have sufficient power reserves for harvesting demanding crops from specific areas of land. The ergonomically designed cab provides maximum comfort for the driver and operator. The combine harvester is modularly designed and can be individually configured according to customer requirements and wishes. The harvester features wide intake belts and a powerful vibration system that gently shakes branches so fruits fall directly onto conveyors. Pneumatic cushions soften the impact, ensuring apples remain intact for processing. The fast block forms and lays seedling blocks with maximum precision, evenly distributing plants according to a preset scheme. Its precise planting system and adjustable speed automate the process and reduce labor costs. Imagine your Fendt 724 turning into a perfect machine for growing bulbs with the incredible Vlaming planting machine and Susi tracks. This cool combo doesn't just ensure performance, it makes the bulb growing process a real spectacle. Susi tracks allow the tractor to easily maneuver through fields, while Vlaming plants bulbs accurately and neatly, ensuring the perfect placement of each one. Stop dreaming of big harvests. Start achieving them with this fantastic technology.
That's what it's all about.
How about a machine that knows how to make your life easier? The Certa 40 Integral from DeWolf is not just a seeder, but a new best friend in the field. This agronomic virtuoso is equipped with an innovative precision seeding system and large 15-ton seed and fertilizer hoppers, allowing maximum work without reloading. The smart dosing and distribution system ensures that each tuber is planted with perfect accuracy. Not just sowing, but creating the future of your harvest with the Certa 40 Integral is like having a magic wand for your potato business. Meet the Amadas 9990 Peanut Combine, a true agro giant with record productivity. This machine is the result of a 20-year partnership between Amadas Industries and John Deere. Under the hood, it has a 90-liter John Deere Tier 4 engine with 333 horsepower, equipped with turbocharging and air cooling. And in the cabin? Well, there's comfort worthy of a VIP. Everything to make you feel like the king of peanut fields. Navigating the field with such an assistant is a pleasure. Even in the most difficult corners and ends of the rows, your harvest is safe. The Mary Pete makes ditch maintenance effortless. It cuts peat, levels edges, and ensures proper drainage in a single pass with perfect precision. The Husqvarna sweeper turns leaf cleanup into a breeze. Rotary brushes gently collect leaves into a container without damaging the lawn, and its maneuverability and ease of use make the job quick and enjoyable. The Krone Tedder, with a 65-foot working width, gently lifts and turns hay or forage for even drying. Adjustable spreading angles allow efficient operation even on hilly terrain. When you combine a Zurn John Deere breeding tractor with a Zurn D62 SF seed drill, you get a truly lightweight and flexible seeding system. This combination offers all the advantages of a self-propelled machine, but without losing its versatility thanks to the attachment system. In addition, the drill has a 3-point hitch and comes with standard 4-wheel drive, allowing it to operate even at idle speed, and the Zurn D62 can also be equipped with many additional options to meet your exact needs. With this equipment, sowing will not only be easier and more convenient, but also more productive. Imagine equipment that will transform your approach to agricultural work. The Krone Swadro 1570 to 2000 combines innovative solutions and time-tested technologies. With the ability to change the working width from 51.5 to 65.6 feet, these rake tedders can adapt to any task. The compact design makes transportation and storage easier, and the high working speed allows for faster processing of large areas. The minimal soil contact technology preserves soil structure and prevents compaction, promoting better plant growth for the next year. Meet the Holmer Terrados T430. When it comes to harvesting, this machine is a real professional. With a 465 kilowatt or 626 horsepower engine and a bunker capacity of 3,500 liters, that's 925 gallons, it ensures that your work will be done quickly and efficiently. Every aspect of this machine is designed for maximum convenience, from the full front suspension providing exceptional ground traction to the intuitive Terra Control 2 system that makes control easier than ever. Less time in the field, more time planning your next big harvest. When a mower is needed that can handle any task, the Twiga T80 from the Spearhead Contractor Profile is your reliable ally. This powerful machine is ready to work in fields and along roads, turning thickets into perfectly trimmed areas. With an arm reach of up to 26 feet, the mighty Twiga T80 reaches the most inaccessible places, like a real acrobat in the arena. Regardless of conditions, this mower demonstrates precision and power that impress. It's time to turn your fields and roadsides into a model of order and neatness. Trust this task to the Twiga T80. Just look at the most perfect stone fruit picker: plum, cherry, olive, and hazelnut. It's designed as a standalone unit that is simply attached to the tractor using a PTO transmission and standard couplings. The weight of such a machine is 0.85 tons. During work, it rests on the ground, and during transportation, it's carried by an auxiliary wheel. The machine is operated by a minimum of 2 workers, a tractor driver and a fruit crate picker. And what's great is that through the use of this fruit picker, the degree of cleaning on each tree is more than 95%, with complete removal of impurities, leaves, branches, and other things. Furthermore, with it, you can smoothly change the amplitude and frequency right during the workflow. In Corsica, they like solving big problems, so they use the Massano RSE. This infusier buries everything needed: organics, residues, fertilizers. With power reliability, it's simply ideal for tough conditions and rocky soil. If you thought agricultural work couldn't be fun, you haven't met the Krone ZX. This super collector of everything that can be picked up from the ground will surely become the star of your field. With the Krone ZX, each loading is like starting a new season for your favorite series. always intriguing and never disappointing. From the powerful engine to the comfortable cabin, every aspect of this machine is thought out to the smallest detail to ensure the harvest is collected quickly, efficiently, and with pleasure. And if it works in tandem with Optigrass 28, then work is pure pleasure. If the Jagoda 300 could talk, it would probably tell you jokes while harvesting blueberries. This harvester is a true virtuoso in the world of berry machines, approaching each bush with such sophistication as if it were on a date. It collects blueberries so carefully that even the most fastidious berries don't have time to get scared. Trust your harvest to the Jagoda 300, and blueberry picking will be as easy as turning on your favorite music with one press of a button. Tubeline is a true ninja in the field. The bale is grabbed, wrapped, laid down, all on the go, while the tractor races after the baler. An automatic film cutting and pickup system, dual grip and side tipping. It's not just wrapping, it's a show of speed, precision, and efficiency. Spinach is a delicate crop, but this machine handles it like you would handle porcelain. It gently cuts, gathers into trays, and delivers product ready for packaging. And all this while you control the process with a single joystick. When pistachio harvest begins, the most spectacular moment is the shake. The tree releases a golden rain of nuts. The machine works with jeweler-like precision. No bark damage, not a single nut lost. The result? Full bins, ready for drying and sorting. A single-row machine grabs green onions and neatly lays them on a conveyor, where two people on the platform barely keep up filling the boxes. Everything's smooth, no overload. You watch and realize, when the machine works, people don't get tired, and not a single onion feather is lost. Flaming corn is a new solution for weed control in organic cornfields that utilizes propane burners. The process begins with an even distribution of propane, which is then ignited, creating a powerful flame stream. The burners operate at a flow rate of 20 gallons per minute, providing fast and efficient burning of excess vegetation without the use of chemicals. And this one significantly optimizes haymaking processes by allowing you to use one tractor to drive two balers at the same time. The system shares power, which reduces the need for labor and equipment. During operation, the tractor drives both balers, doubling the amount of hay processed. With a 691 horsepower engine and 4 independent rubber tracks, it pulls implements weighing up to 40 tons while maintaining minimal soil pressure. The auto-track system and hydraulic force enable full automation during plowing, seeding, and cultivating. Track picks by Sweer makes it seem like the machine does everything, but your hands are still in the frame. The conveyor moves smoothly with minimal product loss, but manual control is essential, especially when you want your harvest to look showroom ready. This machine harvests cabbage, places it in crates, and arranges them right on the field beds. Thanks to its automatic stacking system and modular build, the harvester transforms the chaos of collection into an organized system for storing fresh produce. Here's Globus, a true surgical planter with navigation. Thanks to GPS, it places each seedling with inch-perfect accuracy, wasting neither time nor resources. Ideal for those who don't just plant, they architect yields. Fast, precise, flawless. Just imagine a ridging machine and a plastic paver in one super combo. Kenko's 2-row super combo is a real find for farmers. With a working width of up to 72 inches and up to 6 miles per hour, it makes the job of laying beds and plastic in half the time. In Henshaw and Keepling Fields in Florida, this monster handles tasks with ease and grace. Imagine how your labor in the field becomes a pleasure thanks to this powerful helper. Have you ever wondered how dandelions are harvested? As it turns out, it's an art form. Imagine a method where every movement is perfected and a special device does all the work for you. This device, like a magic wand, carefully collects all the white cap and packs it into a separate bag. How do you like this approach? Just look at Carbon Robotics' autonomous weeder. The future is here. This autonomous weeder robot uses lasers to mercilessly kill weeds, leaving your plants safe. Imagine it working silently and efficiently in your field, eliminating the need to use chemicals or spend hours weeding. All you have to do is watch it maneuver between the rows, clearing the ground with the precision of a surgeon. In a world where time and quality are the key to success, the Commander 1 and 3 combine harvesters are breaking new ground in broccoli and cabbage harvesting. Have you ever dreamed of a machine that keeps up with the speed of your work? With these harvesters, picking speed is exactly the same as driving speed, and adjusting the cutting height won't make you stop. Moving at speeds up to 2 miles per hour, you can perform initial crop sorting on the inspection table right on the field. With flexible loading conveyors and food-grade conveyor belts, coupled with a complete camera system for comprehensive surveillance, Commander technology is redefining harvesting standards. The GF400 is the farmer's multi-tool for high-quality soil preparation and ridging of vegetables and potatoes. This 4-row tiller adapts to your needs, going from full tillage to ridging mode in minutes. Intensive tillage ensures optimal growing conditions for your crops, while TerraProtect protects the ground from erosion. Use the GF400 with a planting machine for simultaneous cultivation and planting. Compact the ridges with hydraulic rollers and add seeders on a lifting frame for a complete seeding solution. The GF400 turns complex tasks into simple solutions for yield and soil care. Do you want to see a real revolution in leek harvesting? It's the ASA Lift PO335. The machine doesn't just harvest, it redefines the rules of the game by minimizing soil and leaf buildup and reducing downtime for cleaning. The dual shaking system ensures that even in the most challenging conditions, every leek stalk is perfectly cleaned. Soft picking belts and the unique ASA Lift boomerang suspension ensure that no stalk is left behind. Forget traditional methods and rely on innovation with the ASA Lift PO335, a machine designed to make your job easier and increase efficiency at every step of the harvest. While one arm wraps the bales, the other is already stacking them, all without human intervention. A 24-horsepower diesel, Pro-Fi auto program, and simultaneous multi-process operation turn this machine into a true bale wrapping pro. Just select a mode and watch the field turn into a warehouse of perfect bales. The 942, a mulching aristocrat. With 415 horsepower, the smooth variodrive transmission and intelligent traction control, Fendt remains nimble even with heavy implements. The Celli-Rotor mulcher tears into cover crops, shreds and churns them into topsoil, creating an even, organic fertilizer layer right in place. One of the most common ways of handling hay and straw is baling, which allows efficient transportation and storage of the agricultural products. One of the most ingenious ways of loading the finished bales is provided by a special bale-and-boy loader, which is fed to a bale by side-sliding grippers. The loaded bales make contact with the ground, but do not fall out. After the first pass with the V-shear, all the debris will be on the ground. That's when a new technique from Savannah comes into play, producing its own 1200 series of rotor rakes specifically designed to pick up debris after the cutting process. There are two groups of rotary rakes, the 1206-1207 for light debris in the form of short sticks and small stumps, and the 1240, 1250, and 1260, capable of picking up long, full-grown trees and large stumps, and which can also significantly level the ground surface. The Stratman Verde begins by loading ingredients into its twin-screw mixer, where powerful knives and augers blend the feed to the desired consistency. The automated dosing system precisely controls the output, while the screw conveyor evenly distributes feed into troughs. Lightweight and maneuverable rakes collect hay with exceptional precision, forming it into neat windrows. Their front placement allows the operator to monitor the entire process, creating even rows and ensuring the fieldwork proceeds smoothly. Forget the old way of field treatment. Senia's cultivators from Amazon come to replace, offering a working width of 10 to 23 feet. They're perfect for everything, from shallow stubble treatment to deep loosening. These multifunctional machines turn complex tasks into processes as enjoyable as a walk in the park. Thanks to the optimized frame and powerful yet economical settings, Senia's doesn't just work, it literally dominates the field. Just let the machine show you what it can do, and your field will thank you with a harvest. Need a helper in bale collection who doesn't know fatigue and sluggishness? Meet the G1 F125 Combi from Govile, your new hero in the fields. This master of bale binding is equipped with proprietary Ballenfanger and Ballenstopper systems, making each bale not just packed but perfectly processed. From now on, every bale will be as neat as a birthday present wrapped with love. This versatile machine simultaneously collects stones and trims grass or plant remnants, leaving the field in perfect condition. With a working width of nearly 19 feet and a powerful mechanism, Spartan saves time by combining two tasks in one. The K&K Enterprises digging system uses blades to form a smooth cone around the roots. A gentle clamp lifts the tree along with the soil, then moves and reburies it in a new location, keeping the root system intact. The AVIC standalone laser bird repeller, distributed in South Korea by Bird Control Korea, is a high-tech solution for protecting crops and objects from birds. This device uses advanced laser technology to effectively repel birds, minimizing the risk of them damaging and falling on their protected areas. The reliability and innovation for which Bird Control Group is renowned makes this repeller an indispensable tool in combating bird problems, ensuring peace and order whenever it's needed. Here's something you definitely haven't seen before: picking strawberries while lying down, and with neck support at that. Sounds like every gardener's dream, doesn't it? The Rohan 2 makes that dream a reality. Such an outstanding harvesting assistant can be used not only for strawberries, but also for asparagus, onions, and a host of other crops. It's also ideal for weeding work. With the Rohan 2, you can forget about endless grueling days in the sun. Now you can concentrate on your crops in comfort, avoiding back pain. This is what a real breakthrough in agricultural technology looks like. Make your farm's cleaning a masterpiece with the Automeg 9000 Foglia version. This combine is designed for those who are not ready to sacrifice quality in the pursuit of quantity. Equipped with a precise cutting system, the Automeg 9000 gently and efficiently harvests leafy crops, ensuring the perfect condition of each harvested leaf. The powerful engine and optimized control system allows processing large areas quickly and effortlessly, saving resources and time for the farmer. Regardless of the size of your plot, this combine will help you achieve high results with minimal costs. Meet the Millstack PT 2010, your new main helper on the farm. This unique trailed stacker will help you collect and transport hay with ease and style. Ever dreamed of packing hay quickly and safely, like playing Tetris with bales? The Millstack PT 2010 will make this dream a reality. Such technology has the ability to stack bales with amazing precision, simplifying storage and transportation. Now you can spend more time managing your farm rather than struggling with hay. When soil requires serious treatment, the Collier & Miller Single-Tine Deep Ripper comes into play. It cuts through the earth with such skill that even the worms give it a standing ovation. The single-shank ripper penetrates deep, leaving loose, airy soil ready for planting. Dense soil clumps are no longer a problem, and plants feel like they're in paradise. Your fields will be grateful for such care, and the harvest will not keep you waiting. If your farm needs a real superhero bale stacker, the Stinger Stacker 8500 is ready to help. This unit turns bale handling into an exciting show, carefully picking and stacking them with precision and grace. Thanks to a powerful hydraulic systems and sturdy construction, the 8500 handles any task, whether it's stacking or transporting bales. Forget back pain and tedious hours of work. The Stinger Stacker 8500 will do it all for you, leaving only true pleasure from perfectly done work. Swedish trailer manufacturer Ivarsson's I Metjo has launched its Metaflex 4X 4-axle hook lift. The new hook lift has a lifting capacity of 30 tons and accepts Scandinavian and European standard containers with lengths of 19.6 to 24.6 feet. The technique is based on the Metjo gear shift system with telescopic cylinders that work in synergy. The system does provide a very fast tipping process and low dead weight. Despite 4 axles and a 30-ton payload, the Metaflex 4X weighs only 6 tons, which means it lifts a weight somewhere around 5 times its own weight. H2-Track EOX 175 is a diesel-electric tractor that does not necessarily need to sit directly in the cab. The operator can control the machine via a special application on a tablet or phone. According to the developers, EOX means electric bull. The company is specially chosen for the name of this type of animal, which is actively used in agriculture. The transmission of the machine and the implement holder is electric. The technique is powered by a rechargeable battery. To increase the range or operating time, there is already on board a range extender, a power source that generates energy to recharge the battery pack during operation. With 4-wheel steering, the turning radius is 31.5 feet, and the track width is adjustable from 7.4 to 10.5 feet. The machine's full power is revealed when the 8-body semi-mounted plow begins loosening the compacted soil, bringing fresh, aerated layers to the surface. The spacing between bodies and optimal attack angle allow for clog-free operation, even on wet virgin land. Harvest grass like a pro with the New Holland Ultra Feed on the FR Forage Cruiser. This grass picker is a true virtuoso in its field. With a working width of up to 12 feet and innovative tines, it ensures perfect capture and neat collection of every blade of grass. Forget missed spots and uneven collection. The Ultra Feed guarantees that every corner of your field will be processed with maximum efficiency. Hydraulic control allows for easy maneuvering even in the toughest conditions. They call it the box eater, and it earns the nickname. 22 containers of harvest, all in one trip. No panic, no fuss. Frumaco built the perfect heavyweight, like a van on steroids. Fast loading, secure fixing, gliding across the field like Swiss wheels. Now forget herbicides. American farmers literally burn weeds. A system with pinpoint flame delivery heats up to 2 million BTUs and destroys the cell structures of unwanted vegetation in seconds without touching the crops. South Korea will surprise you, not just with tech in the city, but also in the swamp. A planter that walks over soggy soil like it's asphalt. No slipping, everything precisely in line, like on graph paper. Planting in a swamp? No problem. Krone is the king of corn harvesting. Its self-propelled silage harvesters gently pick up the stalks from the ground and feed them into the chopping chamber. There, powerful drums chop the crop to the required length, and the feeding system evenly distributes the mass into the transport. The machine manages perfectly the harvesting process, ensuring a clean cut and optimum loading. The Spaperi 741 is equipped with grippers that gently hold the tobacco stalks, after which the integrated knives cut the leaves at the desired height. The cut material is then transferred to a conveyor belt, where it's all sorted and cleaned. The leaves are then moved to special crates for neat storage. The process is all automated, eliminating the need for manual intervention and increasing productivity. The boom-mounted system detects weeds at speeds up to 12 miles per hour and instantly applies herbicides spot on, avoiding healthy crops. This saves up to 70% of chemicals, delivers 98% efficiency, and reduces the impact on soil and water. This is the Cabbage Special Forces unit with electric drive. It undercuts heads from below, lifts them onto the belt, and trims in one smooth move. Compact, maneuverable, and ideal for small fields, its semi-automatic harvesting system preserves quality and keeps up the pace, even in tight rows. In Switzerland, everything runs precisely, and the KVE cabbage harvester is no exception. It moves steadily, works delicately, and collects head after head as if it knows each one is destined for a perfect jar of sauerkraut. Harvesting elegance in action. Just look at the Plataforma Colhead Tudo WB D12000 Draper. This machine is a real boon for harvesting. With a working width of 40 feet, it grabs huge areas in minimal time. The sturdy and sharp blades ensure a clean cut, and the advanced feed system ensures that every spike goes into the hopper. Its capacity of up to 20 acres per hour makes it an indispensable helper in any field. Ready to see your crop harvested quickly and efficiently? With the Yakiva drainage plow and Case Quadtrack Aardvark cart, heavy clay soil is no longer a problem. The Yakiva penetrates deep into the soil like a sharp sword, creating channels for perfect drainage. And the mighty Case Quadtrack Aardvark, with its robust design and high power, follows the plow smoothly, ensuring stable and efficient operation. This dynamic duo transforms even the most difficult areas into perfect fields for seeding. Meet the ace among planters, the modified Garmach planter, the dream of every garlic farmer. This mechanical machine is not only for garlic, but also for onions, beans, saffron, gladiolus, and other tubers, making it a versatile tool for small and medium-sized farms. The secret to the efficiency of the technique? Simplicity. Plus, it comes with a set of chains with different diameter cups welded to them, 0.86, 1.1, and 1.4 inches, for precision and planting flexibility. Are you ready to take your fit to the next level? When a seeder is called monumental, you know a true colossus has entered the field. The ultra-wide frame covers massive areas in one pass, laying seeds with mathematical precision. Hydraulic sections, disc openers, controlled depth, all fully automated. When machines work in perfect sync, the field clears out faster than you can say leak. A John Deere pulls a single row of Verhulst, which precisely cuts, stems, sorts them, and sends them off. Massey Ferguson wraps up the cycle, hauling away crates full of onions. Well, now you're looking at the self-propelled double-row cabbage harvester for industrial processing from ASA Lift. This modernized machine is equipped with a proven and durable feeding unit. Driven torpedoes guide the cabbage to the feeding belts, which then grab the grown product by the stem and guide it to the specially hardened cutting unit. Fast, convenient, simple, and most importantly, reliable. Thanks to a common chassis and interchangeable systems, the Fendt Rogator 900 series applicator can easily handle a wide variety of terrain and crops. The RG934H and RG937H also allow for high ground clearance work at the end of the season with a lift package. Every inch of the 900 series sprayer cab has been specifically designed to increase productivity and spraying comfort. A larger cab with 10% more glazing for unobstructed views and exceptional visibility is a big plus on the job. A state-of-the-art filtration system with charcoal filter and in-cab fan keeps the cabin clean at all times. CornExt offers a solution for extending the shelf life of green fodder, which the experts have perfected after extensive research and tests on the preparation of baled silage from corn. This machine, for example, has patented technology and the lowest silage baling costs. The technique can produce 110-pound bales, which are the most convenient to handle and use due to their shape. The machine operates at an exceptional compaction speed, which results in the highest quality silage. Moreover, worth highlighting is the 6-layer packaging with UV protection and the ability to produce 20 to 25 tons daily. Also, a big plus is the possibility of automatic packing, weighing, and ejection of the bales. This corn roasting harvester is equipped with a direct flame system that processes stalks and leaves, eliminating weeds and fungal infections without chemicals. The flame intensity is adjustable for uniform roasting. If you're looking for a real giant for seeding, here it is, the Primera DMC from Amazon. Imagine a seeder that can stride widely across fields. It doesn't just seed, but it does it with chisels tested over 100,000 times. As for methods, the Primera DMC easily handles both direct seeding and mulched or plowed. The perfect choice for those who want to reduce costs, but increase productivity on vast lands. The Colnag potato planter plants 4 rows in a single pass. Its automatic tuber feeding system gently places them into prepared furrows, while rear closers cover the planting with soil, creating optimal conditions for growth. The Camstar Herbs Harvester carefully cuts parsley using precise blades and gentle handling for transportation, preserving freshness and minimizing damage during harvest. The Power Rake wheeled rake is the ideal tool for medium to small plots, where a moderate amount of crop needs to be harvested. Equipped with independently moving levers, these rakes are highly adaptable to the terrain, enabling efficient swath formation, even on difficult sloping terrain. Their unique design facilitates material collection and provides excellent swath formation, making harvesting cleaner and more organized. Power Rake Star Rakes combine functionality and convenience, making them an indispensable tool for efficient farm management. Meet the Grunner apple-picking trailer that knows how to pack both empty and full crates. It easily befriends your combine to pick all varieties of apples, making harvesting more automated and efficient. With its dual-level design and remote control, you can operate everything from the picker to the rear axle, all from the comfort of your favorite chair. And if the size doesn't fit, no worries. Gruner allows you to customize the dimensions of your trailer to perfectly fit your unique needs. Isn't it beautiful? Meet the Damcon HWD 3055 cultivator, your new garden ninja. This guy doesn't just fight weeds, he does it stylishly with his horizontal hose that carefully cut weeds at the root, leaving them no chance to resurrect. But the real trick is how it distributes the soil. A thin layer like a barista sprinkling cocoa on your cappuccino. And if you add a finger or torsion weeding, your soil will be treated so well that even weeds will start to think twice before appearing. You see the Taylor Farms cool automatic cabbage harvester, one of the most revolutionary machines in the industry. Having done away with manual harvesting in the past, this automated harvester is essentially the sort of mobile factory that provides ergonomically correct harvesting conditions. In doing so, the machine does a decent job of combining the productivity of manual staff with a 50% reduction in labor costs. And how this machine works, you can see right now on your screens. Ever seen a harvest picked like a conveyor belt right from the field? Look from above. The drone shows the magic in detail. Workers cut the fruit, and Proveyor gently moves it onto the platform, saving miles of walking and hours of time. The perfect symbiosis of human and machine. This Flemish wonder planter is like a gastronomic lab in the field. Bulbs are sorted, counted, planted with mathematical precision while a tractor driver sips coffee. Everything is automated, from loading to braking, with a dual screen monitoring the process. Love tea? Then see how it's harvested. This Japanese machine with a Kubota diesel engine on board seems made for morning dew. It gently and precisely collects the first, juiciest batch of tea leaves. 3 cylinders, water cooling, and productivity farmers once only dreamed of. Want to know how peat is harvested on an industrial scale? Look at Mary Peat, a peat cutter that turns a swamp into a warehouse of ready material. Everything is precise. The blade cuts the soil, slices, forms. One pass, and you've got piles of organic fuel ready for drying and packing. And this machine is a high-tech solution for automated layering of potatoes. It uses an automatic distribution system that ensures the potatoes are filled evenly and neatly without manual intervention. The root crops pass through a mechanism that sorts and places them in predetermined layers. Built-in sensors monitor the stacking quality, ensuring minimal damage and loss. Double Master 2 is a true dance of threshers and fans, with each phase tuned to absurd precision. A 3-stage cleaning system, soft drum, and on-the-fly adjustments ensure dry beans enter the tank whole, clean, and without losses. Ready to see a pumpkin load itself into a truck bed? This high-tech harvester with a powerful engine and automated sorting system gently lifts each pumpkin without damaging the skin. Zero losses, surgical precision. Asparagus harvesting isn't usually fun, but this homemade electric harvester changes everything. It hums quietly, drives itself, picks on its own. All you have to do is watch it cruise through the task like a walk in the park. Machine number 06 for red cabbage works at 3.7 miles per hour and delivers up to 30 tons per hour, nearly 70 tons per hectare. A true yield monster that handles tight rows and heavy heads without flinching, cutting, lifting, and loading non-stop. The Adro Dominator isn't just a log splitter. It's a true hydraulic beast. New, powerful, and with enough force to crack even the gnarliest logs. No axes, no sweat. Just press the button and the log splits cleanly in two. Cult is like weed surgery, but without chemicals. Mechanical control between and within rows works with centimeter precision. No rogue stems, just clean gaps. Ideal for organic farming and those who avoid herbicides. When it comes to mowing natural grass, the Steer 8300 from Tunter Agricultural Services is an engineering marvel. This tractor handles large areas with ease, thanks to its 20-foot working width and 320 horsepower. The state-of-the-art control system and ultra-sharp blades ensures that every bit of grass is cut perfectly. Imagine your lot transformed in minutes. You know, as people say, sometimes it's better to see once than to hear 10 times. And so, here it is. The planning process is so fascinating and very unusual that my advice to you is to watch carefully without taking your eyes off the screen. Spinach, meet your new best friend, the KLH 1400. This powerful machine, with an engine that could easily pick up wind and an innovative automatic depth control system, turns harvesting into a magical act. With its 4.5-foot working width, each row of spinach is neatly cut as if you were doing it by hand, but many times faster. The perfectly clean leaves, harvested thanks to a high-tech cleaning system, are ready to be sent to market. How about having your spinach harvested with jewel-like precision and ease? This is how roller coaster it turned out to be. I have to be honest, I wouldn't mind working in such conditions myself. Would you risk a ride without forgetting about work? Hydrotrike from Verviet is your faithful ally in the efficient processing of liquid maneuver. Characterized not only by luxury, but also by practicality, the self-propelled machine offers drivers a comfortable and spacious cabin with huge windows for better visibility. Operating the machine? Everything is at your fingertips, thanks to the conveniently located shift lever and terminal in the adjustable armrest. With two customizable Sauer Danfoss pumps and a powerful hydraulic drive, the Hydrotrike provides precise fertilizer distribution even on hilly terrain, thanks to its unique 5x5 drive system. When it's time to harvest onions, the Rider 1 opens new horizons of efficiency, no matter the weather. Forget worries about wet or dry field conditions. This powerful machine handles all conditions, ensuring a perfect harvest. With its unique 40-inch picker and innovative 16-roller table, the Rider 1 ensures even distribution of onions by trimming the hulm with over 95% efficiency. Its ability to handle up to 35 to 40 tons per hour makes it an indispensable assistant in your farm. Speed and folding control of the loading conveyor right from the cab? Yes, please. Plus, its efficient length to reach the second row of boxes on the trailer makes onion harvesting even more efficient. A pumpkin revolution without hose or aching backs? Sounds like a fairy tale, right? Now that's Vogel at work. A platform with a conveyor gently collects zucchinis and pumpkins, sorting them on the move. Blades cut the stems, the produce travels up the belt, and the operator just watches. Automation meets delicacy, and the harvest stays whole and safe. When manure turns into fuel for future crops, serious power is needed. The lagoon stirrer, with its 25-foot shaft and 36-inch impeller, operates at 540 RPM, creating full circulation to blend slurry into a uniform mass. Dual hydraulic lift and adjustable depth allow adaptation to any tank. The company Argyle's Fruits has released its new model of machinery, AF4, a platform designed for fruit picking. The machine has a 3-cylinder Lombardini motor, which produces 25 horses of power. The machine also has a hydrostatic transmission, 2 speeds from 0 to 8.7 miles per hour. There's a parking brake system and a servo-hydraulic drive system. The installation of a hydraulic elevator at the front and rear has not gone unnoticed. This 4-meter platform also has 2 working wheels, 2 directional side wheels with gangway and hydraulic level. And you can see for yourself just how efficient it is at picking fruit in the orchard with these features. If you're looking for a way to optimize vineyard care, the TRP Optimum from Pellenc is your ideal choice. This innovative tool reduces the time needed for vine pruning by 90% thanks to its precision technology. The PL-TRP model is equipped with a pre-pruning function that allows processing vines twice as fast. Accurate and neat cuts are ensured every time, improving the health and productivity of your vineyard. Using modern automated systems, the TRP Optimum does the hard work for you, allowing you to focus on other aspects of winemaking. Have you ever seen a roller harrow from Flegel Agro Center play with the soil like a professional chef with dough? This master of weed destruction and soil aeration is a true agricultural wizard. With its help, improving soil structure happens quickly and efficiently, and the sown crops get the air they need so much. Think of it as your personal garden terminator, doing all the dirty work so you can enjoy the harvest without extra worries. The pick ride harvester cuts stalks, collects ripe fruits, and disposes of plant residues. Conveyor lines and optical sensors ensure clean tomatoes, ready for further processing. Introducing the Loftness XLB10 Grain Bagger, your new reliable assistant in the field. This machine is specially designed to automate the grain bagging process, ensuring not only speed, but also accuracy of work. The AI-based control system adapts to various working conditions, and the unique bag-filling technology guarantees that every kilogram of grain is preserved. Thanks to its autonomy and the ability to program routes, this machine makes grain harvesting efficient and less labor-intensive, allowing you to focus on other aspects of farming. Imagine the cotton cartage trailer from Collier & Miller Engineering, a trailer that turns cotton transportation into a real adventure. This Cotton Express is not only reliable and spacious, but also gives your harvest royal comfort. With it, each cotton bale will reach its destination like in a luxury carriage. No more transportation problems. Now, only joy and pleasure from work. The Victor Z is a special self-propelled harvester designed for the professional harvesting of currants and black currants, and is an excellent solution for plantations from 30 to 40 to several hundred hectares. This harvester utilizes harvesting systems based on two V-shaped shakers. The system works in conjunction with the optimal geometry of the bush transition through the shaking unit. The use of the oscillating linkage guarantees almost 100% harvesting efficiency without damage to the bushes. Thanks to this, it's possible to harvest up to 20 tons of very high-quality berries from just 1 hectare of planting. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.